In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate SurveyMonkey with Mailerlite to publish surveys via embedded links. This is a great way to engage your audience by incorporating surveys directly into your email campaigns, making the process smooth and interactive for your subscribers. Let's start by heading over to the SurveyMonkey homepage, which is where you'll find the projects section. Here you'll see a list of surveys you've been working on. Go ahead and select the survey that you're planning to publish using an embedded link in Mailerlite. This will open the survey dashboard, allowing you to manage and modify your survey as needed. Once you've opened your desired survey, look for the option labeled Collect Responses, which is typically located in the menu or toolbar of your survey. Clicking this will present you with different methods for gathering responses. In this case, you're going to add a new collector. Next, you will choose the Web Link Collector option. This is essential because the web link is what we'll use to embed the survey in Mailerlite. Once selected, you'll be able to copy the URL of your survey. It's critical to ensure that this link is copied accurately since it will be the bridge connecting your survey and email campaign. Now switch gears and navigate to Mailerlite. Open the campaign where you want to embed your survey link. Enter the email editor where you can design your email layout. You'll be looking for the Elements section. This area allows you to drag and drop various content blocks into your email. For the survey, you'll want to drag and drop a button element into your campaign. Hover over the newly added button and click on it to edit. Here, you'll insert the URL that you just copied from SurveyMonkey. When pasting the link, make sure you set it to open in a new tab. This step is crucial for keeping your email visually clean and ensuring a seamless user experience. Once your link is inserted, you might also want to edit the button's text to better communicate what's happening when a subscriber clicks it. For example, "Take our survey now" is clear and action-oriented. After making your adjustments, don't forget to click Save to secure all your changes. Before sending out your email, it's always a good practice to preview and test it. Luckily, Mailerlite provides a preview and test feature that allows you to see exactly what your recipients will experience. Simply click Preview mode to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. And that's it! You've successfully integrated a SurveyMonkey survey into a Mailerlite campaign. This approach not only enhances engagement, but also provides valuable insights from your audience directly from your emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find value in this guide.